Mom to feel sorry, okay?
Mom, bakit ba kasi hindi na lang kayo sang-ayon dun kay Sir Chris at Boss Gigi? Mukhang masaya sila. Promise, Ma. Sana nga, masaya lahat eh.
You don't understand, okay? Before it was just Mom and I when Dad passed. And then, you know, Tito Chris entered the picture. Now they're all lovey-dovey. And then what's next? They're gonna get married, start a new life, and then I'm gonna be the third party na? And I'll be abandoned to like this boarding school in London? How sad.
London, yun yung sad sa inyo, Ma'am. Alam mo kung ano yung totoong sad? Yung na-in-love ka, tapos nahalikan ka na, tapos pinangakuan ka, tapos napasok ka, tapos iniwan ka na parang wala lang. Yun! Yun ang sad, Ma'am.
Whatever.
Kuya! Baka naman,
Finally!
Pakalas
This
naman,
isn't fun anymore. What took you guys so long?
Sorry po, ma'am. Nagutom kasi kayo kanina. Pabalik dito. Masarap yung pizza. Yung juice lang. Lasang damo.
The good news, ma'am. Pumayag na airmats nyo sa 25 million na ransom na hinihingi natin. Hindi nga man lang tumawad.
Well, duh. Of course, she's gonna pay my ransom. I'm like the most important person in the world for her. Anyways, let's go. This isn't
Kuya,
fun na. Let's see.
pakalas!
Party's over.
Kuya, please!
Mawalang galang lang po, Mang Bana.
Bye.
Total. Wala namang problema sa airmats mo na bayaran ng ransom. Napag-usapan namin ni paring Emboy na tutuhanin na lang sana itong kidnapping.
Wait. No. Wait. Even you guys. Wait, no. This is betrayal also.
Magbana, prank to, no?
What? Diding, no. This is not a prank. I want to go home.
Wait!
No.
Uy!
Wait. Kuya!
Magbana si Pai! Magbana si Pai mo! Tulong! Tulong! Tulong!
Pasensya na, Ning. Wala makakarinig sa'yo rito. Si
This is
Mambara
okay.
mismo pumili itong spot eh.
This is a misunderstanding, okay? I paid you to fake kidnap me. I know this might be fun for you, but this rope is legit.
Kuya, saan niyo ba kami dinala? Sa Manila Zoo? Teka, parang familiar yung sound na yun.
Well, of course it's familiar. That's Fluffy Cakes! Fluffy Cakes! Help us!
Pakawalan niyo sila! Hindi, papakawalan ko tong... Ano nga ba? Papakawalan ko to si Fluffy Cakes!
Hero! Hero!
Ayo!
Fluffy Cakes!
Ang laki ng ngipin! Parang ang talim ng kaliskis!
Mga baliw to.
Tara! Tara, baliw! Baka baliw kayo!
Run away!
Hero!
Hero! Thank you! Help, remove the tali! Ow, 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 ow! Gentle!
Hero! Yung tali, yung kabila! Thank you, ha! Salamat!
Diding, okay ka lang ba?
Oo, okay lang ako.
Pinaglala mo ako.
Okay lang ako.
Pinaglala mo kami.
Okay lang ako.
Paano ka na eh?
Huwag kang mag-alala.
Sigurado ka, okay ka lang ha?
Oo. Thank you. Aray.
Alam mo, buti lang kasama ko si Fluffy Cakes. Natrack niya yung amoy mo eh. Okay ka na?
Okay na ako.
Mahal na mahal ka talaga nun ni Fluffy Cakes, no?
Everybody likes stealing naman. But anyways, let's go to the rescue vehicle now or something.
Ma'am, yung bag niyo, ma'am.
Ay, sa akin yan! Sa akin yan!
Sige, sige. Ako na, Diding.
Salamat, ah.
Okay ka lang?
Thank you, Hero.